Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like a countdown, timer, stopwatch, whatever to your videos in CapCut PC. Now you'll need a timer overlay, like a green screen overlay or a black and white overlay. You can choose whatever you want, and I just have this video right here. I'm just going to overlay that timer. I'm also going to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to put it down here. Go to cutout and set chroma key, select the color picker and select the green area of the video. You're going to then adjust the strength and you're going to add in some shadows. I added in some shadows because this timer has shadows. You can even speed the timer up, but it's not going to be like accurate, but I kind of want to show you guys that it does work. Oops, sorry. It is like faster. It's probably like in milliseconds instead of seconds. But if you want like the second one, you're going to put the time this times to like 1x speed. But I just like it to go a little bit faster, as you can see. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!